Hi everyone, today we are going to solve another LeetCode question, which is longest common prefix. And it is a very basic and important interview question. So please be focused throughout this video. So we have to write a function to find the longest common prefix amongst an array of strings. And if there is no common prefix, we will simply return an empty string. So example 1 is given as flower, flow and flight. And the longest common prefix is FL because FL is common in all the strings. There is flow common in 2 strings, but it is not common in all the strings. So we have to find which part of the string is common in all the strings and we have to output it. And as you can see in the example 2, no substring is common. Substring means the part of the string which is not fully a string. I'll explain you. Suppose see, I am writing hello and this is a substring, this is a substring and this is also a substring. Substring is a string which is not fully a string. So we have to find a part of the string which is common in all the strings. So I have taken this example array of strings in which three strings are present. App, apps and apple. So the longest common prefix is app because app is common in all the strings. And the logic behind this question is we have to find the minimum length string. Because the minimum length string will be common in all the strings. See, here he is the minimum length string and he is common in all the strings. So we will take he and compare it with all the present strings. And if he is matching in all the strings, then we will print the minimum length string as the answer. And if we are finding that any one element is not having this smallest length string, then we will simply return empty string as the answer. We just have to find the minimum length string and compare it with all the strings present. And let's see the code. I have taken a function as longest common prefix and I have taken a vector array. Then I have declared a variable as min and I have declared it as int 32 max, the maximum value of a variable. Because we have to find the minimum length of string, and if we are finding the minimum length string, then we will replace this min as the size of the minimum string. See, n is equal to size of string. If the size of string is 0, then we will return the empty string. If the size of string is 1, then we will return the string as the answer because there is nothing to compare. So the longest common prefix will be that answer only. So we have to next find the minimum size of the string. We will run the loop till the size of the string. Then we will take a size variable and store the first element of the array of strings inside it. The size of the first element of the array. And if this size is less than min, at first it will be of course less than min because min is the maximum value of int. So we will replace min as the size of the first element, and if we are finding that any other element is having the size less than min, then we will replace it because we are running the loop till the size of the array. Then we are making a result variable as string and storing nothing inside it as the answer, because if we are not able to find the answer, we will return the empty string. Then I am running the loop till the minimum length of the string because we are comparing it. As I told you, see, first we are finding the minimum length string. The minimum length string is he and we are comparing he with all these strings. And if we are finding a match, then we will print the minimum length string as the answer. And if any one string is not common, not having common the minimum length string, then we will return the empty string. I am running a loop till the minimum length string, and see, this is important. I am making a char variable c, and str is the string, dynamic string that I have taken, dynamic array of strings. And now what is this? I'll tell you. See, this is an array of string, and array is having indexes as rows and columns. Because it is a dynamic array, I have taken I and j variable, and we are comparing, because we are comparing each and every index of the strings. First I is 0, so we are comparing first element or first character of the strings. See, first we will compare 0 0, then 1 0, then 2 0, like till the elements of the string. First we are comparing h, then e, then as it is the minimum length string, nothing is present after he, so we will compare he with all these strings. Like this we are comparing the indexes, and then when 0 is completed, then 0 1, 1 1, 2 1, h is at index 0 and e is at index 1. Likewise we are comparing all the strings. This is an index 1, 1 0, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. Likewise we are comparing all the elements of the strings. And then I have taken a loop by taking j variable as 1. See, this was the I variable, and we are comparing the minimum length string. So it will be starting element, and then we are comparing j from 1, because I will be 0, and then we are starting j with 1 till the size of the array. Then if the character is not matching with the j and ith value, then we have to return the result. And if the characters are matching, then we have to add it in the answer. I'll explain you this. See, if the character is not matching, then we will simply return the empty string. And if it is matching, then we will compare other indexes. Suppose h was matching, then we will add h in the answer. Result is equal to h. Then we will compare another index he, h, and then e. Then e is also matching in all the strings. Then we will add e into the answer. Likewise, we are adding c, that is character, into the result. And then we are simply printing the result after running these two loops. And then this is the main function I have taken. But in LeetCode, you have to write from this function only. I have written the function here. Now let's run the code. It is accepted, and now let's submit it. It is submitted. So I hope you understood the logic. We just have to find the length of the minimum length of the string, and then we have to compare that string with every other string, because the longest common prefix will be the string which is having the minimum length, and it will be common in all the strings. So this was the logic of this question. Thank you.